Jupiter saved your life, and it has been saving your life every single day for the past 4 billion years, and you have never even thanked it. Most people think of Jupiter as just a big ball of gas out past Mars. Pretty to look at in a telescope, nice stripes, big red spot, maybe some trivia about it being the largest planet. But Jupiter is not just another planet. It is Earth's bodyguard. And without it, complex life on this planet would almost certainly not exist. Here is why. Jupiter is massive, 2.5 times more massive than all the other planets in the solar system combined. Its gravitational influence is so enormous that it fundamentally shapes the behavior of everything in its neighborhood. And by neighborhood, I mean the entire inner solar system where you live. The outer solar system is full of debris, comets from the Kuiper belt and the Oort cloud, leftover building material from the formation of the solar system 4.5 billion years ago. Trillions of icy bodies orbiting in the dark, far from the sun. Occasionally, gravitational perturbations nudge one of these objects into the inner solar system, sending it hurtling toward the sun on a trajectory that could cross Earth's orbit. This is where Jupiter steps in. Its massive gravitational field acts like a cosmic vacuum cleaner and shield combined. When a comet or asteroid falls inward from the outer solar system, Jupiter either captures it, deflects it into a different orbit, or absorbs the impact itself. We watched this happen in real time in July 1994, when comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 slammed into Jupiter. The comet had been captured by Jupiter's gravity, torn into 21 fragments, and pulled into a death spiral. The impacts left scars on Jupiter larger than the entire Earth. One impact site was so massive that you could have fit our whole planet inside the bruise mark. Each fragment hit with the energy of 6 million megatons of TNT, and Jupiter just absorbed it, like it was nothing. If those fragments had hit Earth instead, that would have been the end of human civilization. No question. Game over. Computer models suggest that without Jupiter, the rate of catastrophic impacts on Earth would be anywhere from 1,000 to 10,000 times higher. Think about that. The dinosaurs were wiped out by a single impact 66 million years ago. Without Jupiter, events of that magnitude might happen every few 100,000 years instead of every 100 million years. Complex life would never have enough time to evolve. The moment any species got a foothold, another impact would reset the clock. Evolution needs stability. It needs millions of years of relative calm to produce anything more complex than single-celled organisms. Jupiter provides that stability by clearing the cosmic shooting gallery. But Jupiter does more than just deflect asteroids. Early in the solar system's history, it played a crucial role in clearing out the inner solar system and allowing the rocky planets to form in the first place. The Grand Tack hypothesis suggests that Jupiter actually migrated inward toward the Sun during the solar system's formation, scattering debris and sculpting the distribution of material that would eventually become Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Then Saturn's gravity pulled it back outward to its current orbit. This back-and-forth migration mixed materials from different parts of the solar system and may be the reason Earth ended up with the particular mix of elements that make it habitable. Without that migration, Earth might have ended up as a dry, barren rock with no water, no organic molecules, and no chance of developing life. Jupiter might literally have delivered the ingredients for life to Earth. And yet Jupiter itself is a world of terrifying extremes. The Great Red Spot is a storm that has been raging for at least 350 years, with winds of 270 miles per hour. The storm is so large that 2 Earths could fit inside it. The pressure at Jupiter's core is so intense that hydrogen is compressed into a metallic liquid, creating the most powerful magnetic field of any planet, 20,000 times stronger than Earth's. Its radiation belts are so deadly that they would kill an unprotected human in minutes. If you could somehow descend into Jupiter's atmosphere, you would pass through layers of ammonia clouds, then hydrogen gas that gradually becomes denser and hotter. Then a bizarre zone where the hydrogen transitions from gas to liquid with no clear boundary, and eventually reach a core of metallic hydrogen surrounding what might be a rocky core about 15 times the mass of Earth, crushed under pressures of about 100 million times Earth's atmospheric pressure at temperatures of over 35,000 degrees. Jupiter is not friendly. It is not gentle. It is a monster. But it is our monster. A gravitational guardian sitting out in the cold dark of the outer solar system, silently swatting away the cosmic debris that would otherwise rain down on your home. You owe your existence to a gas giant that does